Hi guys, I just found out how Big Larry's sound. So first you want to search up Benny Hill. Here, this is just the sound. I didn't actually use the actual sound, the actual Big Larry sound. I just found it out. So first you want to find the sound, search up Benny Hill, and then you basically press speed, then make it as 0.5, and that's the only thing. Then put it into change audio pitch. Then it will sound like this.